Melonheads in the track. I consume deadly amounts of crack. I am living in a shack. I smoke so much, my lungs are turning black. My teeth are covered in plaque. Yeah. When I had a headache, instead of Tylenol, I used a power drill. I punched an old lady named Jill. I have an urge to kill. The water I drink is full of lead. There are hundreds of bugs in my bed. My skin is starting to shed. My piss is fucking red. I eat mold-covered bread. I live next to a ditch. Yeah, my landlord is a bitch. Yeah, my skin is red, and it's starting to itch. Yeah, Melonhead's out, homie. Hey, yeah.